Dog care tips and tricks from canine specialists. Owning a dog is like adding a child into the family. They need care, attention, love and discipline. If you do not prepare yourself for this addition, you may find difficulties in the months ahead. Take a few moments and read the tips below to learn the best advice for caring for your canine companion. If you are looking for a great family pet, but are on a budget, consider rescuing an animal. You can get one at a local shelter for minimal costs and the dog will come with a clean bill of health and all his shots. If you are interested in a specific breed, contact a rescue group specializing in only those pooches. Be careful with your dog around Christmas season. Many dangers are lurking just under the festive ambience. For instance, electrical cords are typically strewn about during the holidays, and dogs often chew them, creating an electrical hazard. Dogs may be tempted to eat the decorations on the tree. They may also be tempted by the tree water, which can be toxic. It is fine to hug your dog, but avoid those wet kisses. Dog kissing may be adorable, but dogs have awfully dirty mouths. Dogs tend to dig through garbage cans, drink out of toilets and explore the hindquarters of other animals. Some believe the mouth of a dog is even cleaner than our own. However, this simply is not the case. Hot summer days are harder for dogs to handle than humans. Always make sure your pet has enough water to drink. Provide them with a shaded area to rest if they are going to be outside for any length of time. And, if your dog begins acting in an unusual manner, call the veterinarian. Heat stroke could be fatal, so it is important to get medical care as soon as possible. Keep table scraps to a minimum. Doing so teaches it to beg and ruins its appetite for its regular food. In fact, a steady supply of scraps may encourage your dog to gain unhealthy amounts of weight and set off serious digestive problems. Keep your dog away from the family dinner table for training purposes and to avoid any temptation. Once you are equipped with great advice about caring for your dog, you will be better prepared for the day-to-day life with him. You will be better capable of dealing with any issues that occur. Take notes and post them around your house so when you question what you are doing, you can get a quick reminder of what you should do. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.